The topic is copying binary files. See, most of the media files like image files, audio or video files, all these files are of type binary. The format of these files will be binary. So we will see how we can read a binary file and how to create a new binary file. So we will take one of the image file. I will take one image file. I will take an image of a Python logo, okay, and I will read the contents of this file and create a new image file that will be a copy of the same thing. So let us call this as python1.jpg. I will take this file. Then I will create python2.jpg. So it will be a same logo. You will get the same logo. And the process is very easy in Python. So we will learn how to read a binary file contents in a Python program and create a new binary file. Read from one binary file and write it in a new binary file. So in this way, we will be copying a binary file and creating a new one. So let us do it. Go to Chrome, and in Chrome, I will search for Python logo. I'll go to images. Inside images, I'll take this first logo file. I'll just right click and I will say save as. If you remember, in the beginning I have shown you how to create a folder on the desktop. So we will go to desktop and there is one folder called MyPython, and inside this I will give the name of the file as Python1. So Python file is created. It is copied on my desktop folder, that is my Python folder. Let us start VS Code where I will be writing my Python program. I'll create a new file. Then it is asking me to select a language. Oh, okay, I will select a language, that is Python. So this is Python. I have selected a language. I'll give the file name. So for that, I will save it. Save. Now you can see that it has directly taken me to desktop MyPython folder. So I'm already inside that folder. So I will create one file, that is, I will save this program file as copy file.python py. So already the extension will be .py because I have selected the file type as Python. So copy file.py, it is copied in desktop MyPython folder. So let us start command prompt and see where the files are copied. So I will minimize this Chrome and I will go to desktop. So here on the desktop, you can see my Python folder. So this is having one program file that is called as copy file. This is Python file, and this is an image file, Python1. This is an image file. Now I am going to read from this python1.jpg file. This is a JPG. You can see the extension it is showing here. Item type is JPG file. So .jpg. Then I will create a new file. So how to open a file? We have already seen it. So assign open python1.jpg, and we have to open it in read mode. So that's it. File will open here. So let me push it into the next line. So you can see some cap here. You can easily read it. Python file I am reading. Now I will take one variable here, data, and in that I will read everything from this file. So if you say f.read, it will read everything from the file, and that content will be given in variable called data. Now I have to open a new file for writing. So I will create one more variable, that is copy file, and I will open a file that is python2.jpg, and this I will open in write mode. Now I have opened a file for writing and it is in write mode and the file name is python2. Now simple thing what I have to do is cp.write. So in copy file I am writing everything whatever is there in data. That's all. So it is reading from file 1, that is python1.jpg, and writing into python2.jpg. So from F I am reading and in CP I am writing. That's it. So work is over. Now simply close the file. So it's a good practice to close the file whenever you have finished the work. So I have to close both the files, that is F as well as CP. So my program is ready. This is a very simple program. See how simple it is to copy a file in Python. I have saved it. Now I am here inside the folder. So how to run this copy file Python program? How to run this one? So for that, the easy way is whenever you are inside the folder, inside the same folder, go to this box and here you type cmd and hit enter. So it will open command prompt keeping you inside the same folder, that is MyPython. If you want to see what all the files available here, just press dir. It will show you the files. Copy file first.python and that is the old program. Already I have written it. Then python1.jpg. Now I will run the program. I will say Python, and the program name is what? Copy file. So you press C and then you hit tab button from the keyboard. It will automatically take the files. If there are more files with same letter C, it will show you all the file. Keep on pressing tab button. So once again I will show you. I have pressed C, then pressing tab button. So it is showing you the file. So I don't have to completely type that program file. Hit enter. Oops, there is an error. What is that? Codec can't decode byte. So actually it can't decode the byte. So I have done one mistake. What is the mistake? Check this. I'll go to the program once again. See, I am reading which file? I am reading binary file. So B is important here, RB. Then when I am writing a binary file. So B is important. So this is the thing that I missed. So that's why it was unable to read binary file, image file. So when you want to deal with image files and audio or video, any other file, when you know that it is binary, you must write B along with the mode. RB mode and WB mode. So if you don't mention this one, you will get the error what you have seen just now. Now I will save the program once again. Control S, I have saved it. So go back to command prompt and just use up arrow key and hit enter. It has worked perfectly. So that was missing. File should be binary. So you should say RB and WB. So because these are binary files. Now if you hit dir, you can see that Python 1, Python 2, these are the two files available, JPG files available. I'll go to my Python folder. I will double click on Python 1. You can see this is an image. Then if I double click on Python 2, so I got the same image because I have copied it and created a new file. That's it. So the program was very simple. Just read from the binary file and write into a binary file. So you must mention B. If you don't mention B, what is the error you get? You already have seen it because you get the error related to coding. So encoding or decoding cannot be done. The file must be binary. So binary files use encoding and decoding into the binary format. So that's all in this video. You try the steps very carefully because you have to do work in VS Code also. You have to go to command prompt also. And also you have to copy it in a folder that is MyPython. So there are 3 different places you have to work. So just follow the steps very carefully and do it. So that's all in this lecture.